In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up DM ads Manychat. By the end, you'll have a simple automation that sends a direct message to people who comment on your post, perfect for DM campaigns and engagement-driven ads. Start inside your Manychat workspace on the Home tab so you can see the big picture of your account. From there, move to the left sidebar and open Automations. This is where all your conversational logic lives and where we'll build the flow that powers your DM ads. Click New Automation to create a fresh setup. You'll see a library and a search field at the top. Use that search bar to save time. Type in what you need, and for this walkthrough, select the template called Auto DM Links from Comments. It's designed to listen for comments on your post and reply with a DM automatically. You'll now configure the trigger. When someone comments on, choose the post you're promoting. If you're running a DM-focused ad, pick the exact post or add associated post so the messages fire only where you want them. Next, set the keyword filter under, and this comment has, add the word or phrase you want to detect. Keep it simple and specific. Short, clear keywords, reduce false triggers, and help you stay on policy. Move to the first message under they will get. Draft a friendly, value-forward DM that acknowledges their comment and sets expectations. Keep it conversational, make the next step obvious, and stay compliant with messaging guidelines. Then customize the follow-up under, and then they will get. Use this to deliver the promised link, asset, or instructions. Keep it concise, reinforce the call to action, and maintain a helpful tone so people know exactly what to do next. When everything looks right, click Go Live. That publishes the automation and starts listening for comments. With that, your Manychat DM ads flow is ready to engage commenters instantly and move them into a one-to-one conversation that converts